everyone, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Bread, Cakes, and Delis. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching Bread, Cakes, and Delis, and I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga suporta na binibigay niyo sa akin. And mag-ingat po tayo. God bless everyone. So ito po yung ating ingredients. I have here 3 large mashed banana. Off camera, I mashed it para mabilis tayo. Optional lang po ito, vanilla extract. If you don't have, you can omit this one. And then 100 grams of granulated white sugar and 100 grams of washed sugar, 2 medium of eggs, and 30 ml of canola oil. If you don't have canola oil, any oil will do, basta edible siya, pwede po yan. Kung ano man po yung available sa inyong kitchen. Ayan. And then I use pink salt, kosher salt, or Himalayan salt. Optional po ito. If you don't have this one, you can use regular salt, 1 teaspoon. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then 100 ml of melted butter and 2 cups of I use cake flour and sugar for garnishing later on sa ating cupcakes. So let's combine the dry ingredients, the baking soda and the kosher salt or the pink salt. Just mix it and set aside. And let's do the wet ingredients. Combine all the wet ingredients. Mix nyo lang po hanggang sa wala na kayo makitang lumps ng harina. So dito po sa recipe na ito is makagawa kayo supposed to be ng 13 pieces na cupcake muffins, pero wala na akong molder kaya 12 pieces lang po yung nagawa ko. Ayan. And then dito budburan natin ng granulated sugar sa ibabaw on top yung ating muffin, banana muffin. So here you have it guys, our freshly baked banana muffin. Did you see that brownie caramelized sugar in on the top? So ayan, napakaganda niya. So, So ayan, ito na ang ating pinakahihintay, ang taste test. So ayan, yung pinaka-exciting na part ng ating video, ang tikiman time. So nakikita nyo guys, so nag-melt yung sugar na nilagay natin, nag-caramelize siya, so parang naging accent dun sa muffin natin. So maganda siyang tingnan, nakakainggan nyo. Wow, tingnan nyo, ang ganda, very soft, saka ang bango niya guys. Tingnan nyo, did you see that guys? Did you see that? So fluffy, very soft, and so yum. Napakasarap niya guys, malambot siya at yummy, delicious. Tamang-tama lang po yung sweetness ng ating recipe. Hindi po siya masyadong matamis. Tamang-tama lang po. Ayan. So what are you waiting for guys? You can do this recipe and gawin na nating pangbenta sa Pasko para pagkakitahan natin. So ayan, there you have it, ang ating banana muffin. So ayan, maganda pong pangbenta ito sa December, pagkakitaan. So ayan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel or bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please push that subscribe button and push that like button, and then paki-push rin po yung notification bell para ma-notify ka just in case na mag-upload ako ng mga bagong video. So ayan, there you have it, our banana muffin. So napaka-yummy niya, tasty and so yummy. Hindi ako mapapaya sa inyo. So gayahin nyo na to at pagkakitaan natin. So ayan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next uploads.